If you haven't headed to the Dollar Tree yet this Easter season, I am going to give you a little sneak peek of what was in my store and some of the things that I love this time of year. I'm always a big fan of their Easter baskets. They have such a great selection of different styles. They have the wicker traditional baskets, then they have the plastic baskets with lots of fun pictures and designs on them, and they are so great for this Easter season. I also really like these box ones. We have gotten those a few times each year, and I'm always a big fan. They have Easter grass, though I don't think it's the best quality, so I'd probably skip that. Again, here's a couple of more Easter baskets. There's so many different kinds. They have lots of different door decorations. They're actually very good quality, and I think they're super cute. These signs aren't super high quality, but they're really cute and get the job done. They'll last the entire Easter season, I'm pretty sure. They have different bags, so if you want treat bags for parties, they have little treat bags like that and cellophane. They have gift bags as well. I don't usually use that type of thing for Easter, but if you do, definitely have some options for you here. They also have some ribbon, but it's not great quality. So I really actually liked these signs, and I thought that they were pretty awesome for $1. Really cute. You definitely are going to want to run in and get these because they will definitely sell out fast. And again, even more Easter baskets. I can't do a video without talking about the Easter eggs. They have such a huge variety. They have ones with these little toys in them. Those are great for toddlers that you don't really want to give candy, but they like to open things. I definitely got some of these because I think they're super fun and super cute. Then they just have different ones with different patterns, different colors, ones with golden eggs, just pretty much any type of egg you could ever think about. Again, these will sell out, so you want to go stock up as soon as you can. I really like these clear ones that look like eggs and Easter bunnies. I did find some better quality Easter grass over here, so that was encouraging to see. Here's just a little pan of some of the additional Easter eggs. We had a lot at our store. There's some more religious ones over here, like crosses and the little bunnies. They have Easter egg decorating kits, which I have not seen before, but they are really cool. Lots of different options. I am curious to see how well they work, but for just $1, definitely worth it. I always love these little coloring cups, so those always work out well for me, so definitely stock up on those. I like these golden ones. I thought those looked super fun, so I think we might go back and grab some of these. I've never heard of shake and egg, but super fun. And then lots of just different toys that you can get. I personally think that they're kind of low quality, and I don't like to buy junk. But if it's for a classroom party or just for someone who just wants a little toys, little trinkets, they do have a lot of fun little things. Like I love the crafts, like these little egg decorating kits. These Easter ears are so cute. I thought those were fun. They do have a lot of stuffed animals, though this one talks and makes noises and it says like, now I laid myself down to sleep or whatever, that little prayer. I didn't really like those, but if you come over here, they do have some better ones that are really soft, and my kids really like their stuffed animals here. So definitely come and check out which ones your store has. It's definitely going to vary from store to store. And of course, I can't do a video without talking about the candy. Some of these things are kind of weird. I personally stay away from the non-brand name candy because I just don't think it tastes that good, and I don't think it tastes very good quality. But they have a lot of name brand like Andes, Hershey's, all sorts of different kinds of candies. So definitely check out, see if they have your family's favorite. I love Russell Stover's, and the Dollar Tree is always stocked up on Russell Stover's, which is awesome. Like I said, they have a lot of great brand name. They have tons of different types of Peeps, which, you know, never Easter without those. These little Easter dispensers, Russell Stover chocolate bunnies. I would definitely get these ones if you're going to get a chocolate bunny from the Dollar Tree. They're definitely better quality than the other ones. And again, lots and lots of Peeps. So if you're a Peep lover, you're definitely going to want to come over and stock up on these. And these Tootsie Roll eggs are so good. If you've never tried them, I highly recommend them. So yeah, there's a lot of different candy here. I think it's going to be similar from store to store, but regionally there might be new things. And finally, here are a couple of different toys. Like I said, not my favorite things, but they do have a couple of fun things like these little cards and games, and the bug catcher is actually pretty fun. We always like to get puzzles and bubbles from the Dollar Tree. I think they're pretty good quality. But you can come see if there's anything that stands out to you that you think that one of your kids or grandchildren or even yourself might like. Honestly, a lot of these toys weren't really Easter themed except for like the Bible cards, but I did save the best for last. My husband's favorite were these devil egg holders. They're a bunny in different colors, and then these Easter molds were super, super fun. So if you find those, definitely grab them. There weren't a lot in stock. Again, this was just what was in my store. It's definitely going to vary from store to store, but let me know if you found some treasures this year.